Okay, good evening from here and welcome to my channel. Today we're looking at a number theory question from Nigerian Junior Mathematics Olympiad 2023. This question is drawn from the number theory section. We want to tackle this question. I'm going to explain to you how we'll get the solution to this problem. The problem says, how many 4-digit multiples of 9 consist only of 4 different odd digits? We are looking at 4 digits number that is also a multiple of 9, and then it will be made up of 4 different odd digits. 4 different odd digits. That's interesting. Okay, that means our number cannot have any even number. So what are the terms can use to form the number we're talking about here? The number could be formed from any of these digits: 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. But then there's something very important from basic knowledge of fundamental things in number theory. We know that a number is divisible by 9 if and only if the digits sum to a multiple of 9. That is the basic divisibility rule. A number can be divided by 9, just like 3. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. The same way with 9. A number can be a multiple of 9 if and only if the sum of digits is a multiple of 9. So now, let's just look at these odd numbers. We don't need all of them. We just need 4, but we need 4 because they say it has to be 4 different odd digits. So we just need 4 from this list. But when we add the total of this, you add 3 plus 1 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. The total is going to give you 25. So we have total of 25. Okay, but 25 is not a multiple of 9. Then which of these digits are we going to drop to get a multiple of 9? You can just check it carefully. You drop 1 is 24. 24, that is not a multiple. You drop 3, it gives 22. That's not a multiple of this. You drop 5, you have 20. That's not a multiple of this. If you also drop 9 to have these ones, it's still not a multiple of this. So the number we're going to drop that we remove is 7. So when you remove 7, you will be left with 18, which is a multiple of 9. That means if I remove 7 and use these digits to form the number I'm looking at now, it will give me multiple of 9. So how many number we're looking at, how many such numbers now that will meet this condition as stated in the question? The number could be like this: A, B, C, and D, where these are the different digits, and this A, B, C, and D must come from any one of these. So this number, we don't have restriction as to the size. It could start from 1,000 and something, or it could start from 9,000 and something, but it cannot have any other digits except these 4 digits we know here. So how many ways can I arrange these 4 digits to make a 4-digit number? How many permutation of these 4 things do we have? That is the total number of number. That's how many numbers that meet our requirement. So how many permutations? This position, the first position, I can call it unit position, tens, hundred, and thousand. Okay, the thousandth placeholder can be formed in 4 ways. Once I've done this, the remaining place, which is the 100 tens placeholder, can be formed in 3 ways. And when I'm done this, I'll be left with 2 numbers to form the tens placeholder. And when I'm done this, I'll just be left with 1 number for this place. So when I multiply this out, I have 24. So there are 24 such numbers that are made up of 4 different odd digits, and that are multiple of 9. So our answer is 24. thank you for paying attention. If you have interest in mathematics Olympiads, you want to improve in your mathematics, consider subscribing to my channel. I make video on mathematics. I treat a lot of friends on mathematics, starting from our exams to math Olympiad. See you in the next video.